it was obviously was an important turning point where people who had not been involved directly with Yiddish culture felt drawn to it. And that raises all kinds of interesting questions about why and how. The standard answer is it was part of, you know, it was part of a general awakening in the United States and I think North America to cultural roots. Stressing the word roots because people often link it to that famous television series, miniseries, Roots. You know, obviously it's more complicated than that. All these cliches are more complicated, but I think that that's actually true. I think it's like, you know, actually that's true. Because I remember feeling that way. I remember feeling it. And this is a cliche. I had grown up playing bluegrass and country and loving it and searching for something emotional in it. And yet, when I realized I could play Yiddish music and Jewish music, I thought, oh, I actually can play my own music. And wow, what a thought. And it just seems so obvious, like such an obvious thing to do. It's one of those obvious things that was so obvious that like it hadn't been apparent.